How to physically install the RouterBot TrueMesh NCM-1200 and connect it to the Nexxt Home app. Connect the Ethernet cable coming from the modem to the WAN port. Plug the included power adapter into a wall outlet, then connect the other end to the router. Wait about a minute until the ring-shaped LED indicator on the front button of the router starts flashing blue. This means the router has entered pairing mode and is now ready to connect to the Nexxt Home app. Now open the app, click Next, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the router to the app. Watch our tutorial video, How to Link the NCM-1200 to the Nexxt Home app for more details on the steps to follow in the app interface during the physical installation of the router. Wait a few moments while the app searches for and connects to the router. Once the router has successfully connected to the app, click Done. With that, you've learned how to physically install the RouterBot TrueMesh NCM-1200 and connect it to the Nexxt Home app.